Hello, Barbara and Mojica, aka Little Miss History, back with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. Mini lessons that you can set up in just a couple of minutes. Today's topic is science, and we're going to use Halloween candy corn as the basis for the science experiment. We all love Halloween candy corn, and you probably have some of it around your house right now in preparation for Halloween. In order to do this experiment, you'll just need a few simple materials that you have around the house. You will need 3 small bowls, or you could use juice glasses, the Halloween candy corn, water, and 3 other liquids that you have around the house. It could be things like olive oil, vegetable oil, or any other liquid that you have. Your student will also need a pencil and paper to record observations. Now, to do the experiment, you put 1 inch of water in each container and make sure that your child has labeled the containers. And then you add a small amount of liquid. Carefully ask your child to drop a piece or 2 of candy corn in each container. Then sit back for a few minutes and observe what happens. Is there a change in the size of the candy, the shape, the color? Did the liquid change? Is it now cloudy, or did it absorb some of the color from the candy? Did the colors combine? Then, after your child records the observations, ask them what do they think caused the change. If you want to extend this experiment, you can do it all over again with other types of candy and different types of liquids. I hope you'll have some fun doing this Halloween experiment with your children. Until next time, take a minute to explore other trivia challenges or 2-minute teacher sessions by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you next week for another 2-minute teacher. Until then, bye.